Hello YouTubers, and welcome to Car Guy Corner. Today we're going to be working on the exhaust for the tractor. I picked up some pipe here. I got a muffler that I had laying around, and I got my trusty beat up MIG welder. I'm going to put a few tacks, weld this together, and see if we can't make the tracker not so noisy. So maybe you can actually hear yourself think, since it doesn't have much of an exhaust on it right now. So, set up the camera and do some spot welds with my shitty MIG and see what I can do. Well, not the best of welds, but just spot welds to hold it together would be good enough. Put some more here, and then add one more pipe, and then we'll see how much more I need so I can put on this muffler. Okay, now we got that all welded up. It's good length, test fitted on the tracker. We're going to cut the muffler right here so we can get that in the pipe a little bit further. And then we'll rig up a tailpipe later on, but it'll be that's almost right up to the rear axle. And then we'll just have to make some kind of hangers. One here on the pipe, roughly about here. And then gonna need one here on the muffler, but that'll do it for now till summer comes and I can rig up a tailpipe and not freeze my ass off. So I'm gonna cut this here, then we'll put a clamp, and we'll put a clamp at the other end on the tracker, and that'll do it for now. Well, now I got it all together. I'll go outside, put it on the tracker. Got a clamp here where I'm going to connect it on the tracker. And if I notice it's not flexing enough, or if it's starting to let go, I'll cut a chunk out here, put a flex pipe in. And then I clamp the muffler to the pipe. And then I put a clamp at the end where I'm going to put the rest of the tailpipe, but for now, got it on there lightly to help tie it up. I'm going to use some brush à foin or hay wire, whatever you want to call it. Use that to tie it up and get it into the position I need it. And then I can see what I need, some round stock or whatever to make my hangers, because I still got the rubber stock hangers underneath there. So get it all tied up and in the spot, and show you what it looks like, and then see what I can do to make some hangers for it.